Happy Monday, boys and girls. Nice to see everybody. This week, we're going to be working on suffixes. So our objective for the week is I can read 3 out of 4 words with suffixes. You're welcome to grab a brother or sister, or mom or dad, if you'd like to have them do the lesson with you. Okay, first we're going to segment and blend syllables. That's when we tap it in the palm of our hands. Each syllable has a vowel sound. Okay, so let's tap out the word elephant. Ready? L-E-phant. Elephant has 3 syllables, 3 word parts. Try dragonfly. Ready? Drag-un-fly. Dragonfly has 3 syllables. Your next one, beaver. Ready? Beaver. Beaver. 2 syllables. Whoops. The next one is iguana. Ready? Iguana. Iguana has 3 syllables. Last one, rainbow. 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 2 syllables. Okay, let's go ahead and do our word reading. This is a review of OU. OU usually makes the ow sound. Now, OU is a pattern that it can make a lot of different sounds. Like in country, it makes an sound. We're going to try ow. If it doesn't sound right, we can always use Flippy the Dolphin and flip that vowel sound so that that word makes sense. Let's go ahead and read them. Ready? Hound, ground, sour, shout, flower, couch, mouth, whoops, and bounce. Nice job. In all those words, it did make the ow sound. Let's review our prefixes. Those are the letters that are added to the beginning of a word. Un means not, re means again. Let's read these words. Undo, unfair, unsafe, unknown, reread, repay, remove, return. Nice job. Let's go ahead and do our fluency phrases. It's nice outside. Again, it's nice outside. Next one, around the house. Again, around the house. Next one, the cat pounced. Again, the cat pounced. Last one, south for the winter. One more time, south for the winter. Okay, our fluency passage. You're going to see some words that do have prefixes. This one, you're going to see the RE prefix quite a bit. Let's see if I can. Ready? It is good to recycle. Recycling helps the earth. When we recycle, we reuse things. Cans and bottles are remade into other things. We can refresh the earth if we recycle. Hey, you're welcome to stop the video and practice again. Remember, we're trying to read the way we speak. Okay, for this week, we are working on suffixes. A suffix, let me move this picture. A suffix is a group of letters that come after a root word to change its meaning. The suffixes ER and EST are added to adjectives to compare nouns. Bigger, they added the ER. When you're comparing 2 things, we use ER. Her cat is bigger than Sam's cat. We use EST when we're comparing more than 2 things. Kindest. She is the kindest person in the class. The other suffix we're working on is ly. The suffix ly means in a certain way. For example, loudly, the band played loudly, which means in a loud way. The last suffix that we'll be working on this week is F-U-L, full. The suffix full means full of, like helpful is full of help. For example, the helpful student stacked the books. Okay, my turn. Right away, this word, I see I do have a suffix at the end of this word, est. I also see an R controlled vowel. That AR says R. I know SH is a digraph that makes the sh sound. I can read this word, sharpest. Okay, your turn to practice. Whoops, let's go back up. There we go. Okay. Your word, look at it. We have the suffix li. We also have just one vowel in this word. That means, well, actually the li also has a vowel sound. Right here, we have that one vowel followed by a consonant, so that's a short vowel sound, a. Sadly. Read it again, sadly. Look at this one. Here we have the suffix est added to the end. Read that word, wisest. That E does tell that I to say I, wisest. That owl is the wisest one of all. Hold on. There we go. Your next one, that has the suffix ER added to it, Read that word, taller. She is taller than her friend, taller. Your next one, this has the suffix full. Your word is playful. Read it again, playful. Nice job. Let's try these on your own. Ready? Okay, you're trying to get at least 3 out of 4 correct. Go ahead and read that word. Good, you should have said lightest. Your next word, go ahead and read that word. Good, shorter. That's 2 correct. Go ahead and read that third word. Good, careful. And your last one, go ahead and read that. Good, badly. Okay, if you got them all correct, you can say, I can read 4 out of 4 words with suffixes. Great job, boys and girls. Thanks for participating today. We'll see you in a couple days.